Hello everybody, this is Camille with Hazel Soapery, www.hazelsoapery.com. I'm assuming people are looking at this thinking, what in the world is this mess? I did a post a while back ago saying don't throw away those orange peels. I'm sure many of us are eating oranges, grapefruits, and all that kind of stuff trying to stay healthy, which is a great idea. However, don't throw away the peels. There's so much you can do with them. What I did here was I put the peels in water. I boiled them down. Actually, I just kind of simmered them down because what I want to happen is I want the oils, the citric oil that is in the orange peels and the grapefruit peels to be released into the water. And then next, I am going to just put them over here and run that through a strainer. Hopefully it doesn't fall because I only have one hand free. Alright, and I'm going to strain that once. I'll probably run it through twice because I don't want, excuse me, I don't want the pulp to get into it. So I want to make sure it's strained really well. And then once I am finished with that, I am going to do 2 parts white vinegar to 1 part of the water. I can't stand the smell of the vinegar, but then this will kind of ease that up so that it'll have a nice citrus smell. I'll put it in a spray bottle, and then I will use that for my light cleaning throughout the day. I bleach everything down at night. But this is a quick, easy, inexpensive way to make yourself, I'll get a picture of both in there, to make yourself a nice DIY home cleaner. Alright, thanks y'all, and y'all have a great day. Talk to you soon. Stop by the site, www.hazelsoapery.com. Bye.